Hello guys, this is Vysh. So today is May 8th and we'll discuss question of history, and this is episode number 155. So every day it's a different teacher taking a different things, and like this many more initiatives are planned in June month. So please make sure you subscribe and hit the like button and put a comment also under every video. Now itself you can put a like and comment because I see most of the students don't do that. Okay, you can put your score also after the session is over, but just put a hi or hello or whatever you want in the live chat window or in the comment section. Okay. So this is the WhatsApp number which you have to message first and then get the free foundation. After that only you have to watch our free lectures. Okay, every subject, every textbook is completely free on our channel, but you will not understand what to watch and how to watch unless you see the foundation. Okay, and test series for 2023 is open. I'll explain if you want at the end of this video. Now question number 1, history. In Gandhiji's 11 points, which one of the following bills or act are explicitly mentioned? Postal Reservation Bill, Trade Disputes Act, Salt Indianization Bill, Public Safety Bill. Okay, so I showed you the answer here. This is all these questions for today are taken from the Spectrum textbook. Okay, the Spectrum lectures which I did it in I think 2017 I did it, and that is the only thing you will need actually for modern history. Okay, every year questions comes directly from my lecture only, and if anything is missed in that lecture it will be there in my test series. Okay, so that you can enroll. That is the only paid part which we have. So here the answer is a Postal Reservation Bill. This is a screenshot from my lecture only. So civil disobedience movement we discussed, and then we discussed those days which we had different things like Jinnah's 14 point is there, Gandhiji's 11 points is there. So different demands he raised. Okay, like one of the demand he raised is like leaving Bhagat Singh and all. That was not accepted, and that is why Bhagat Singh was hanged. But there are many other things which were accepted. Okay, so these are the 11 demands which he did, and this one of the thing was accept the Postal Reservation Bill. So that is the question. Explicitly what did he ask for? Okay, there are things about even the salt related thing he has asked, the shipping he has asked, textile he has asked, criminal investigation he has asked, many things he has asked for. Okay, but the bill which is explicitly asked is Postal Reservation Bill. Okay, this is a lecture, a screenshot. Please watch that free lecture. 25 chapters I have done, everything from Portuguese coming to India till India gets independence in 1947. The entire thing has been very detailedly described. Okay, so that is why this is one of the most viewed thing. Also, millions of viewers are there for this particular playlist alone. Okay, now question number 2, which of the following are true? In the Pune Pact, special provisions for representations were made of depressed class in the local body and in civil services. After second roundtable conference, Ramsay MacDonald announced 3 expert committees for center, state and provinces. So options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Okay, so this again is around the same timeline only. The Pune Pact and the MacDonald had this conference, the second roundtable conference discussions after that. So this thing you have to know. Okay, if you are seriously prepared for UPSC, you have to know this. It's a very easy question also. So here the answer is D, neither 1 or 2. Both of them are false. Okay, so here if you see this particular thing in Pune Pact, special provisions for representation were made for depressed class. That is correct, but not in the local body and civil services. That is why it is wrong. Okay, so that I'll explain. That I'll show you in the lecture. And then 3 committees were formed. That is also true, but it's not for center, state and provinces. It's actually for franchises. Okay, the voting and all these things. So like that 3 finance committee and all was there. If you see here, 3 expert committee, finance, franchise and states. This is the 3 committees which was formed. Okay, so same way here it's written explicitly. I've written here depressed class and representation in center and province, not in civil services and states or local bodies and all. In center and provinces, special provisions for depressed class, and the 3 committees formed are for finance, franchise and states. So this second round table, everything, first, second and third round table conference with the pictures I have explained. Okay, pictures is what will be missing in your Spectrum textbook and other NCERT books and all. So I have put pictures and with animations I have taught you. So this as I told, this playlist if you go and watch, your modern history will be safe. Okay, and then join any good test series. If you don't want Vysh IAS, join any good test series. You will be able to solve every question which comes. Okay, so this is the Ramsay thing. So this is all you can pause and read. Okay, because if I teach again, it's like repeating my lecture. So please pause and read. And if you don't know the lecture playlist and all, come and WhatsApp me in this number. Question number 3, which among the following events happened first in order of chronology? Komagatu Maru incident, Gandhiji's arrival in India, Tilak's home rule, all in the same year only. Okay, meaning this all the 3 happened in the same year only. Okay, they're asking first in order of chronology. So if it's same, like suppose 1910, 1910, 1910, then answer will be D. But if you think any one of them happened earlier, then that will be the answer. So these incidents, okay, are very, very important, and you are supposed to know if these basics, like when did Gandhi come to India, before that Gandhi where he was, what did he do before coming to India, what was his profession, these things if you don't know, your preparation is going in wrong track. Okay, so here answer is A, the Komagatu Maru incident, which happened in 1914. Then Gandhi came in 1915. Then he went around the country for 1 year because I think Gopalakrishna Gokhale told him. So he met people, he went in different places. Then slowly, 16, 17, 18, by that time he were part of lot of hunger strikes and satyagraha and all, and then only the other big things happen, okay, like the non-cooperation movement, the civil disobedience, then the Quit India movement. All these things comes much later. First he have done very like small participations in many things. Okay, then Tilak's home rule is there, 1916 April. Annie Besant's home rule is in September 1916. So these are timeline, because UPSC definitely will ask you at least 3 questions on timeline basis. Okay, every year it is coming. So you have to know these things. And these incidents, if you don't know, as I told, please watch my spectrum lectures. That will make you like understand everything with pictures. Arrange the following in order. Again, oldest to newest, in which it was found by Subhash Chandra Bose. Meaning Subhash Chandra Bose is involved in some of the organizations. Okay, like Forward Bloc, Azad Hind Fauj, Independence for India League, National Planning Commission. Okay, he is involved. But you have to tell the order in which he formed these things. Okay, 3142, 1234, 3214, 3412. So in this, whichever is earliest. If you see, first you look at the options. Here it's like 3 or 1 is there in the first, meaning at least either 3 or 1 is the one which happened first. Okay, you don't have to worry about other things. So that if you shortlist it, you will come to one conclusion. Okay, so if you know basics of history and all, you will know Forward Bloc was made much later. Okay, so obviously this cannot be the like oldest to newest. This cannot be the answer. 3 has to come in starting. Okay, and after that it should come 3 1 or 3 2 or it should come 3 4. Okay, so there you have to like you will get confused. So Azad Hind Fauj also, you will know that it would have come later. Okay, after he left Congress and all, he went, then only he would have formed. So 2 cannot come in the answer in the order. Okay, like that you have to eliminate. In the exam hall, the faster you eliminate, faster you will come to the answer. Okay, and both options if you see, now 2 is at the last. Okay, so 2 Azad Hind Fauj is at the last. Okay, and the other one, Independence of India League, this also you concluded. Now only thing is where is the like third position, whether it is National Planning Commission or this thing. So Planning Commission, if you have to be involved, you have to be part of the Congress. Okay, so again that way if you see, you will see like 4 should come first. Okay, because after that only he left Congress, then only he'll form the other things. So 3 4 1 2. So here answer is D. So Forward Bloc, so I'll tell you in order. The third one, if you see Independence for India League, that is this one. 1928. Okay, so in previous questions and all I've explained about like because he's not forming it alone, another person was there along with Subhash Chandra Bose to form the Independence of India League in 1928. Okay, when he was very young, you can tell. And after that he will form the National Planning Commission when he was president. Okay, you should know the INC president. Every December there will be an Indian National Congress meeting. Okay, every December it will happen, and that time someone will be president also. So Subhash Chandra Bose was president in 2 sessions. One was in 1938 and another was in 1939. So when he was president in 1938, he made the National Planning Commission, and that again in spectrum I have explained it. Okay, then 1939 he again became, but that time what happens, because of some problems he had to he opposed to them and he left INC, and then he went and formed the Forward Bloc to show that the protest. Okay, I am forming the Forward Bloc. But that time again one current affair, one static part I'll tell you. When this person left, somebody else has to take up the presidentship. So that time Rajendra Prasad took up the presidentship. Okay, who becomes our Indian first president. He becomes the president in place of Subhash Chandra Bose, because Subhash Chandra Bose resigned Congress and went. And after he resigned in 1942, he went to South Asia and formed the Azad Hind Fauj. Okay, the Indian National Army, along with another person, Mohan. He has formed this. Okay. So question number 5: who among the following did not take part in the Quit India movement? Muslim League, Hindu Mahasabha, Communist Party of India. So options are 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2, 3. So here again it's very like basics, and you know the political parties and all these things are always in the news. So these parties are even there now also. So that is why you have to know these things. So here answer is D, 1, 2, 3. None of them have participated or supported the Quit India movement. Okay, there was no cooperation from any of these organizations. The Hindu nationalist parties like Hindu Mahasabha openly opposed the call for the Quit India movement and boycotted it officially. Communist Party of India not only quit India movement, even when India got independent, that also they were protesting, okay, because the partition they did not like. So they did not participate in the celebrations of August 15, 1947, because they did not like the division between India and Pakistan. This is the facts which is there in textbooks, okay. So this again is taken from Spectrum, means it is there in part of pack 3, where you get 400 questions with detailed explanations and screenshots, which I showed you now. And this is also part of pack 2, okay, meaning if you buy pack 2, then no need to buy pack 3, because Spectrum is included in that there also. There are 16 tests are there, like this every textbook I have done detailedly, and all these things, free lectures are there in our channel. So please try to get it, okay. Don't just for like you think like, okay, this like you are making something paid, I need only free things. If you stick with this kind of ideology, then till the end of the year you will think that you are studying a lot of things, okay, Plums is helping me get 5 questions and I am doing free lectures, but finally when the exam comes, okay, you will not be able to solve every question because you did not do regular practice, okay, because when you enroll to this, we give you regularly, weekly with a timetable based, we give you questions, so that time you will clearly store it in your mind and you can recollect it in the exam hall, okay. This Plums and all you will see today and tomorrow you will forget, but the test series which you buy, which is in a scheduled format, that actually will retain in your brain, okay, if you are a serious aspirant. So keep watching Plums for seeing the model questions like this, and these are the different packs which we have, and 2024 1-year timetable will be released soon.